peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on to question 4.1.2 from the 2017 IEB Maths Lit Paper 2, and this question deals with measuring these honeybees and using your measuring tools, such as your ruler, to calculate what the actual size of these honeybees are. It says, use the scale diagram given in your answer sheet. So I've pasted the scale diagram over here. And clearly add in all the millimeter lines between 1 and 2 centimeters. Hence determine the actual size of the drone bee. So what this diagram is showing is that this line here is actually the 0 centimeter. So we know from 0 to 1. And we're actually trying to measure the length of the drone bee. So it's from the bottom to the top in centimeters we need to measure. But now, because this is a scaled up diagram, we need to put in the millimeter lines of this. Unfortunately, I don't have a physical piece of paper to demonstrate this on. So I'm have to freehand draw these lines. But please, in your exam, remember you must use your rulers. You'll have your physical rulers that can draw nice straight lines to draw the millimeter lines. So basically what you need to do is divide the 1 to 2 centimeter line into 10 equal parts. That means we're going to have 9 little lines in between, equally spaced apart. So try and actually measure what the length of this line is and divide that number by 10 to get what each equal line needs to be. So try and be as accurate as possible. So we're going to have to do a 9 little parts to make 10 blocks or sections. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So each one should be equally spaced. And then you use your ruler, and I'm just going to do it freehand. So as I said, do not do this without a ruler, but it's basically going to be a line that goes like this, like this. So you just draw these lines in, and you will see. So as I said, we must make sure that these lines are as straight as possible. And then the last one. Okay. So each of these lines represents 1 millimeter. So this is going to be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. 1.8 and then 1.9. So this 1.8 is of importance to us. It's the second last dotted line, and this is where this line extends to the bottom of the bee. So you can see that this bee is actually at the position 1.8. So then our answer for the actual length of the drone is 1.8 centimeters. So as I said, remember, you must draw these lines with your rulers. Don't be like me and draw it freehand, and then separate them as equally as possible, and there should be 10 divisions. So, and that concludes question 4.1.2. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials, and remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, you can always send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.